Hi 4th and 5th graders! Today we are doing the optical illusion with colored pencils, trying to figure out how to get our pencils looking like they are rounded by using shading. So this one you have to use colored pencils. If you don't have colored pencils, crayons will work a little bit, not as well as colored pencils. Markers will not work for this project, so don't use any markers because you can't get variation in color the way that you do with the colored pencils or even crayons by pressing really hard and really light. So good luck with this. Color correctly because that's what's going to make this illusion pop. Okay, we're gonna start this off using a pencil and a ruler again. You're gonna put a dot in the middle of your page, and then using a straight edge, it is very important to use a straight edge on this one. You are going to do lines going from that dot out to the edge. Again, put your fingers far apart and draw on the side that your hand is not holding the ruler with. If you hold it like this, there's a great chance that's going to wiggle all over the place. So I put my my lead on the dot, hold down tight, and then draw out. You don't want these spots too small because then it's going to take forever to color them in. When I do this in my classroom, I use a square piece of paper. But I don't have those square papers at home, and I'm guessing you don't either. So we're just gonna do a normal size piece of paper today. Okay, it doesn't matter how many spaces we have because we're not doing the every other color like we did in the black and white circle. This time we're going to do a bumpy line going around each one of these. So bump from line to line. We're gonna make colored pencils look like they're popping. So down here is going to be the lead of our colored pencils. Okay, and then we're gonna do a kind of wavy line for where the lead and the wood and the paint mix up. Or match up. So right now it looks really flat. You are going to need something that will blend colors, or you can do lights to dark with the same color. So color pencils work best. I also have art sticks that Crayola and, well, Prismacolor used to make. I will use these for my my color on the outside here. But I also have color pencils that I'll be using. Crayons will also work for this, but color pencils are best. And art sticks are the lead to the color pencils, so they're very similar to that. So if you were in my 3rd grade class last year, you learned how to do lights to darks with our colors. So that's what we are going to start with. So noticing my color pencil has the same color in the lead as it does on the paint to show what color the lead is. So we are going to start in the middle and we are going to press dark on the outsides and then lighten up gradually on the inside so that looks like the shadow is touching the other pencil. Okay, and then you're gonna do the same thing on the outside with the same colored pencil. So pressing really hard. Again, if you were in my class last year, those are those 8s when we did the value scales. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on our value scales. And light, and then darken back up on this side. And hopefully that will make it look like it's popping. And I go back and forth until it gradually gets lighter. Gradually gets darker. So the lightest spot, the spot that you can see your paper through, is going to be in the middle. So now I am using the same color on all of these because that's the wood part of the colored pencil. They're all the same. And trying to match up the values. So it's really dark here, really dark here. So I'm going to do really dark here, and where it's light in the middle, we want to keep that about the same. And that's what will make the illusion pop.